Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp web using your PC. If you've archived a conversation and want to bring it back to your main chat list, this tutorial will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your browser and logging in with the QR code from your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the left-hand side. Next, locate the archived chats section. This is usually found at the top of your chat list or under a dedicated icon on the left menu. Click on it to access all the chats you've previously archived. Now, find the specific chat you want to unarchive. Scroll through the list of archived conversations until you locate it. Once you've found the chat, click on it to open and view its contents. Here's the key step. With the chat open, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. This shortcut will instantly unarchive the selected chat and move it back to your main chat list. And that's it. Your chat is now unarchived and ready for easy access alongside your other active conversations. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your WhatsApp chats and ensure important conversations are always within reach. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.